Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yahoo Mail, check and send emails step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or your mobile device. In the address bar, type mail.yahoo.com and press enter. On the Yahoo Mail page, click or tap the sign in button. Type your Yahoo email address or username in the field provided. Click or tap next to continue. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click or tap sign in to access your inbox. If you forgot your password, click or tap forgot password and follow the recovery steps. If you see a stay signed in option, choose it only on a personal device you trust. After signing in, wait for the inbox to load fully. To check new emails, look for bold subjects or a highlighted unread count. Click or tap an email subject to open and read the message. Use the back button or the inbox link to return to the email list. To refresh and check for new messages, click the refresh icon in your browser or in Yahoo Mail. To search for an email, use the search mail box at the top and type keywords. To reply to an email, open it and click reply. Type your response in the message area. Click send to deliver your reply. To compose a new email, click compose. In the to field, type the recipient's email address. In the subject field, type a clear subject line. Type your message in the main body area. To attach a file, click the paperclip attachment icon and select your file. Wait until the attachment finishes uploading before sending. Click Send to send your new email. To check sent messages, open the Sent folder from the left menu. To sign out securely, click your profile name or icon in the top corner. Click Sign Out to end your session, especially on shared computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.